If you want to live by faith, if you don't become a little child, you cannot. When you obey God's instruction at your own convenience, you are no longer. You know, God will always tell people who are children his heart. You know, people that are experienced, they can't live by faith. You have been told that experience is the best teacher. No. In this faith journey, experience is an expired sense. And it is because people are full of experience, God doesn't use them. No, because when God speaks to them, they will not obey. Those experienced soldiers will never do what David did. That the Holy Spirit was telling David, you will kill that man. No armor, no weapon of war, only catapult. And he said, Lord, with what? Said with that catapult. Just speak 5 stones. JESUS. A letter is enough to finish it. Now, experienced people will not say, quick. You know, you are by with Satan.